On this video, we're gonna be turning a rock into a cutting board. This is the rock that I'm gonna be using. I picked it out especially because it has this basalt band in it. And I just think it would be really, really cool to have a cutting board with a perfect stripe through it. It'll be like you made it out of wood because it has this cool like band of other wood, but instead of wood, the entire thing is gonna be made out of rock. Not a wood cutting board, a rock cutting board. But I'll introduce myself. My name is Ben. I'm here at Natural Stones, where we make things out of rocks. And this YouTube channel is just about making stuff out of rocks. So let's put this on the saw. There it is. The cutting board that is perfectly smooth. Here's the bottom, the rough edge, and the shiny edge that you cut your food on. If you like this video, Natural Stones is all about making stuff out of rocks. Just like this cutting board. It's just so smooth. It's just so nice. It's so nice. Time to go cut some food up. Make some dinner. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.